Did sound good because you had the
Good
facts and
evening. I'm here to persuade my audience to explore the possibility of tainted life insurance. By securing life insurance, individuals can rest in peace knowing their family will be financially covered when the inevitable finally happens. You are going to die. We all are going to die. In 2016, 2,744,248 people died in the United States alone. 84% of the Americans would agree most people need life insurance. Yet when asked, only 70% said they needed it. 1 out of 5 Americans have life insurance, according to Jason Fisher Fowler of BestLifeRates.org LLC, and Mutual State Licensed Life Insurance Agent. He also said that 66% say it's just too expensive. 60% said other financial priorities take higher precedent. I was a person who found out myself and in situations in which I had a loved one to pass away and was forced to deal with making the financial arrangements for someone whom I was not sure had life insurance. It is my goal to encourage others to avoid the pain of not having life insurance and having to deal with the financial burden of burying your family. According to Madeline Dexter in the book When the Blues Turns Black, only 1 in 5 people have life insurance of any kind. Today I will persuade you to consider and perhaps purchase life insurance for you and your family. By gaining information and securing life insurance for you and your loved ones, you place you and your family in a better, positive situation to relax and enjoy life with less concerns. Let's look at how having insurance can be having not having insurance can be a hardship for you and your loved ones. There are several reasons why you should consider purchasing life insurance. A need to prepare so that your family won't be caught totally unprepared. Knowing you are covered will take away the financial worry. After speaking to Sharon Randall at Randall and Sons Funeral Services, I was told the average cost of basic funeral today is about $5,700. To avoid having to beg or borrow from friends and families and others, the average family in America has less than $1,000 in their savings. Avoid starting a GoFundMe account. Almost 30% of Americans don't even have $500 in the bank, according to MagnifyMoney.org. And GoFundMe accounts often fall short of meeting the desired goal for you to make the arrangements. I am sure we can probably now best agree that there are a distinct disadvantages of not having life insurance. Now let's look at what the insurance is and the types of insurance that you can get. Insurance is a means of protecting your family from financial distress and loss. Many of us have cars, homes, medical, and retirement insurance. Why not invest in life insurance for yourself and for your family? There are 2 main types of life insurance: whole life and term life. Whole life insurance, sometimes called straight life, is ordinary. It is life insurance policy which is guaranteed to remain in force for the insured's entire lifetime, provided premiums are paid on and toward the maturity date. Whole life premiums are fixed based on age of issue, usually does not increase with age, belongs to the cash value category of life insurance. Term life insurance is life insurance that provides coverage at a fixed rate of payment for a limited period of time. Term life is typically the least expensive way to purchase a substantial death benefit. Coverage amount. Premiums change over time. They're renewable. Simplest form of life insurance. Here's the solution. Allow yourself for a moment to picture the worst case scenario that could happen, resulting in death of you or a loved one. And picture this with little or no money in the bank and no insurance. Not good. Now picture yourself biting down and getting multiple insurance quotes and information, deciding which type of insurance best meets you and your family's needs. Imagine yourself securing insurance for you and your loved one. I sincerely and strongly urge and encourage you to get life insurance if you're one of the 4 out of 5 that do not have it. Consider yourself lucky to get this information. And consider your life insurance premium a fixed and non-negotiable expense in the same way you would your mortgage, rent, car payment, or any other necessity. No one wants to discuss death, and no one wants to leave their family early. Struggling financially as well as the emotional trauma they will have to deal with the loss of a loved one and not have insurance. The proper whole or term life insurance chosen today will allow you to get with the business of living while knowing that when the inevitable happens, your family is protected and can rest in peace knowing that you have the assurance of insurance. And one more thing before we go. For further information, you can go to the www.consumeradvocate.org. They say they have policies as low as $14 a month for $250,000. Let's also not forget you can check the NFDA, the National Funeral Director Association. Make sure that you get everything that you need so that you will not have this worry. Thank you so much.